Watch and listen carefully. Have your notebook and a pen ready to take notes. Later, you'll complete a writing activity comparing this to the passage you read in the previous activity.
Meg firmly believed that frozen ingredients were essential for great cooking. She often pointed out that freezing helps preserve the freshness and flavor of fruits and vegetables. This way, people can enjoy their favorite ingredients all year round, even when they are out of season. Meg loved having a variety of frozen options in her freezer, which made meal preparation quick and easy. She also emphasized the convenience that frozen ingredients provide. With a busy lifestyle, Meg found it helpful to have ready-to-use frozen items on hand. Whether it was frozen vegetables for a stir-fry or frozen berries for a smoothie, these ingredients saved her time in the kitchen. For her, frozen foods meant she could whip up healthy meals without spending hours shopping or cooking. Additionally, Meg highlighted the cost-effectiveness of frozen ingredients. They often last longer than fresh produce, reducing food waste and saving money. Meg enjoyed telling her friends how using frozen ingredients allowed them to experiment with different recipes without the fear of wasting food. In her eyes, frozen ingredients were a practical and delicious choice for anyone who wanted to cook great meals with ease.
Prepare for your writing tasks. Summarize the key points from the video and discuss how they contrast with or challenge the main ideas presented in the reading from the previous activity.